Get more freedom and stronger broadband throughout every room of your home with this BT Flex Powerline Adapter Kit. With a simple setup, you can plug the adapters into any spare power socket in your home and instantly connect. There's no complicated installation process, so you can enjoy instant broadband access in no time at all. The pass-through design allows you to plug in the adapters without losing use of the power socket. You can continue to use the socket to plug in other appliances, so you're never short of power around the house. Compatible with any router, you can connect this adapter kit to your existing router to get wider coverage in any space. Conveniently extend your existing Wi-Fi coverage without the hassle of buying a new router. Make the most of your online experience and enjoy super fast broadband with this Flex Powerline adapter kit from BT.